Today's plan, gonna take something off from my bucket list. Wait, before that, by the end of this video, I'm gonna give out something for completely free. So make sure to watch till then. Okay, so it's 5 in the morning over here. Like, it's completely dark. Wait, I'll show you. Can you see? It's so dark. But, I'm here, all ready for my hot air balloon ride. So yeah, let's go. I came down in the lobby and pura sannata. Just look at this. And here, थोड़ी सी ठंड भी तो है, but I forgot to get any jacket or anything. But it's okay, it's not that cold. मतलब ठीक है, bearable है. And here I am waiting. अब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है. That's a ride for today. We are heading to the hot air balloon spot. It's freezing here. We finally reached the spot and the hot air balloon is getting ready. And I'm up in the air. I still can't believe it. I'm so grateful to experience things like this.
I should get some sleep.
Back to the room for a quick nap and then round 2 of adventure begins. Back on the road again, I'm heading to one of the most famous viewpoints in Laos. It's just 20 minutes drive from the city. Reached, and now let's begin this hike. Just look how steep it is. I don't know why in the world I decided to come and do this hike. भाई हालत ख़राब है, आगे पीछे भी कोई नहीं है. Just look at this. पता नहीं मैं क्यों यहाँ ये ट्रैक कर रहा हूँ. May God bless me. भाई ऐसा कोई ट्रैक नहीं है जिस पे यू हैव टू वॉक आराम से या क्लाइंब स्टेयर्स आराम से. भाई क्यों करनी है ट्रैकिंग? व्यू ही देखना है ना, मैं दिखा देती हूँ, चलो. And I finally made it to the top. Okay, so currently I'm here at the deck, okay, and for the picture on the bike I have to go here, just look at it. Super scared but had to do it anyway. And now it's time to head back before it gets dark. After a day full of adventures, I was so hungry. I headed straight to this Indian restaurant. The food here is genuinely so good. And to my surprise, every time I came here, there was a waiting line. I was honestly so happy to see how much people from across the world love Indian food. And lucky me, this place is just opposite to my hotel. Lights off for today. See you tomorrow. Good night. I am off to try something that Laos is famous for, so just wait for it. This is how you get picked up from your hotel, and we have reached our spot. Okay, I didn't know that I'm gonna do something like this while traveling. It's like one of the most dangerous yet exciting activity in Laos. So yeah, let's go! This activity is called tipsy tubing, where you grab a tube and float down the river for 3 to 4 hours, stopping at different bars along the way and just vibing. Also, it's a great way to meet backpackers from all around the world. And we are back from tipsy tubing and it was an amazing experience. Today I'm heading from Van Veen to Luang Prabang, which is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Town. I'll take you around Luang Prabang in the next episode. Thank you for watching episode 2. I hope you enjoyed this one. Also, as mentioned at the start, I'm giving away my Laos travel guide for free and it's linked below in the description. It has everything, my full itinerary, booking details, activity tips, like everything you need. If you haven't seen episode 1 yet, go and check it out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next and the final episode of Laos series.